Let's talk about an underrated AI side hustle that's generating massive income, up to $1,579 per day. And guess what? People are making this kind of money by creating simple trivia videos using Canva. What's shocking is how few people are jumping on this opportunity, despite the potential to earn thousands in just the first week. Here's how it works. 1. You head over to Canva and select a pre-made trivia video template. 2. Then you use ChatGPT to generate a set of trivia quiz questions. 3. Finally, you post your trivia quiz videos on TikTok, and you start earning through ads and affiliate commissions. This side hustle is accessible in many countries, and it's genuinely life-changing. I wouldn't believe it myself if I hadn't seen it work firsthand. If this sounds intriguing, stick with me, because I'm about to break down exactly how you can start making money with this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Earn money fast with TikTok ads. Let's start by talking about the fastest way to make money through TikTok ads. I first stumbled upon this side hustle by discovering a TikTok trivia account called Trivia Time HQ. This account posts simple trivia quiz videos over basic B-roll footage, with AI-generated voiceovers reading the questions. Their TikTok videos consistently get tens of thousands, sometimes even millions of views. Intrigued by their success, I scrolled down to find their very first video, which was posted just 4 months ago. Shockingly, it had 89,000 views, and their second video, posted on the same day, went viral with over 3 million views. In their first week alone, Trivia Time HQ racked up 22 million views, and the earnings from that kind of reach are staggering. TikTok's new ad program, TikTok Creativity Beta, pays creators between 50 cents and $1 for every 1,000 views. Trivia Time HQ's videos, being longer than 1 minute, qualify for these higher ad rates. Here's the math. 22 million views divided by 1,000 equals 22,000. 22,000 views times 50 cents, low estimate, equals $11,000 in 1 week, averaging $1,579 per day. It's important to note that to be eligible for TikTok's ad program, you need at least 10,000 followers. But, as you'll see, accounts like Trivia Time HQ gained followers incredibly fast, reaching 10,000 within a week. Step 2. Earning affiliate commissions. Now, if TikTok ads aren't available in your country, or you want to boost your income, another powerful strategy is affiliate marketing. This method works in most countries worldwide, thanks to platforms like ClickBank. If you're new to affiliate marketing, here's how it works. You promote products or services by sharing a referral link. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. For example, if you're using Canva to create trivia quizzes, you can promote Canva's affiliate program. Place your referral link in your TikTok bio using a tool like Linktree to direct your audience to sign up. Some TikTok accounts, such as Real Conversation Series, target specific niches like English language learning. This account, just 2 months old, has already gone viral with quiz videos aimed at language learners. They've embedded affiliate links to language courses and ebooks in their bio, turning their content into a consistent revenue stream. One of the reasons I love affiliate marketing on TikTok is its global accessibility. Most countries can register for ClickBank, where you'll find high-paying affiliate programs. For instance, Rocket Languages, a popular language course, offers commissions of over $100 per sale. By promoting relevant products through affiliate marketing, you can easily earn hundreds to thousands of dollars with quiz videos. And if you are lucky enough to be eligible for TikTok ads, you can combine both strategies, earning from both ad revenue and affiliate commissions for maximum profit. Step 3. Generate free trivia quizzes with ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about how you can generate trivia quiz questions for free using ChatGPT. Whether you're using the free version or the paid version of ChatGPT, the process is incredibly simple. Here's how to do it. 1. Ask ChatGPT to create trivia questions on any topic, such as geography, sports, or pop culture. It'll generate questions with multiple choice answers for you in seconds. 2. If you want more advanced questions, you can prompt ChatGPT to create quizzes for intermediate or expert level knowledge. This allows you to target more specific audiences, like trivia enthusiasts or subject matter experts. 3. For variety, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate different quiz styles. For example, you can try fill-in-the-blank questions instead of standard multiple choice. Once you've got your questions, you're ready to turn them into a TikTok video. Step 4. Create trivia quiz videos with Canva. Now, let's move on to Canva, the design app that will help you transform your quiz questions into a professional-looking video. Canva makes this process fast and easy, even if you have no prior video editing experience. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up for Canva. You can get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro. 2. Create a new mobile video in Canva. 3. Use Canva's pre-made templates to find quiz video layouts. You can customize these templates with your own text, colors, and quiz questions. For each quiz, you'll have 2 slides. The first slide will display the question and multiple choice answers. The second slide will reveal the correct answer. To add a polished touch, Canva's Elements library contains millions of photos and graphics. Customize the background with relevant images to match your quiz topic. Step 5. Add AI voiceovers and sound effects. Want to take your quiz videos to the next level? Add an AI voiceover. TikTok's most viral quiz accounts use this feature, and you can easily replicate their style using Canva. To get started, 1. Go to the Apps section in Canva and search for AI voiceover. 2. Choose the speaker voice, example, Adam Deep Male, and type in your quiz questions. 3. Select the conversational style for the voiceover, which is used by most viral quiz accounts. You can also add sound effects, like a bell ding when the correct answer appears, to make the video more engaging. Canva's audio library has plenty of options to choose from. Step 6. Export and upload your quiz videos to TikTok. Once your video is complete, it's time to export and upload it to TikTok. Here's how to do it. 1. Click Share in Canva, then choose Download as an MP4 file. 2. Upload your video to TikTok, making sure to include relevant hashtags and a compelling caption to boost visibility. And just like that, you've created a high-quality trivia quiz video that can earn you ad revenue and affiliate commissions. Final thoughts. Start earning with this simple AI side hustle. This AI-driven side hustle is perfect for anyone looking to make real money fast. Whether through TikTok ads, affiliate marketing, or both, the earning potential is huge. You don't need advanced tech skills, just the right tools and a bit of creativity. Ready to start? Follow the steps above, and you could be earning $1,579 plus a day in no time. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.